So finally, we get to harvest our first set of broilers, and this is when they first joined us. We make sure we had the right heat lamp, the right setup for them, and the bedding was kept nice and clean. They were well looked after. Stocking density was low, and then we took them outside to give them free range, give them access to grass, and just gave them a fantastic life. Now it's time to harvest. Our organic chicken. This is what we're producing. You look at the drumsticks, you look at the breasts, you look at the size of the wings. Yeah? This is from Tesco's. Yeah? That is from Tesco's. Turn it to the side. You look at the drumsticks. Look at the difference. Zoom in on that. Oh. You look at the wings. You look at the wings of this. Just look at the difference. Look at the wings, look at the wings. So, let's see what weight this is. Now let's look at the dead weight. So this is a chicken that is 1.7 kg as a dead weight. And then we have this chicken. I mean, the size difference is pretty phenomenal. And this is 4.08 kg. So it's, clearly double the size. It's nearly 6 kg, isn't it? Get the bird. Just come back in. For a chicken, 5.7 kg. So it's remarkable how big they've got. You look at the feet, and they've lived a good life. We haven't just killed them within 6 weeks. They've lived an extended life. They've lived outside, and that's why we're seeing these huge feet. So, hand over.
Billy, so it's my Billy.
You would believe, wouldn't you, that this is a turkey. It is not a turkey. This is one of our chickens. Look at the drumstick on that. Holy smoke. What are they? I don't know what they're producing for us. Look at this. I mean, I'm just a little farmer. Why should I be able to do this? Man, the country makes me afraid.
Yeah.
Jesus. Wow, let's get to work. So the process of how we get the chicken nuggets and the chicken thighs and stuff like that, a lot of people don't know. So it's time for harvest. They've lived a great life, and let's go. So, there we go. Okay, so we're going to try the smaller cones this time. Okay, which gives the head the opportunity to come out. And that's all we do. So straight in. This wonderful machine here. And it's got a scald. Huge birds. Right. Straight in. So let's go. Let's put some water in. Turn it on. massive, aren't they? So this is the chicken. We've processed it. Look at the legs on this. Just picture when you've been in Tesco's and you went and picked up chicken. This is not a turkey. Picture this. Wow. Can you actually even see the flesh is flesh? It's not looking like all watery slime and look at that. 5.3 kg. You've been around for a little while, sir.
Yeah.
Have you ever seen a chicken
No,
this size?
No, it's big and this.
This size is unbelievable. So at the moment you're just processing, right?
Yeah.
And the wonderful thing is this, whether it's processing for the dogs, processing for humans, everything is used. It's a wonderful neck there. Wow, I can't believe the size of these chickens. Chickens! You would think that was a turkey, wouldn't you? You really would think that was a turkey. Someone came and gave you these and said they were turkeys, you'd be delighted. I mean, look at this bird here. You would actually be, thank you very much for this wonderful turkey. We want to utilize the whole chicken. Nothing goes to waste. So the whole chicken is going to be minced through this machine before we add all of the final ingredients. Organic raised chicken. This is just a fantastic protein source that has had zero influence from GMOs or antibiotics. Blueberries, strawberry trays, all getting ready to go into the mix. We only use human grade products for our fantastic food. You can see the truth from the peas, the carrots, the raspberries, the strawberries, the free range eggs. Simply delicious. We are the only company that can brag that we know exactly where the protein sources came from. The reason for that is we are the owners of Stanhope Farm. We produce our own protein sources. Look at these. How authentic is this? Organic lamb and mutton, free range, happy, healthy. Working closely with fantastic vegetable and fruit farmers in Kent. With over 25 years dedicated to canine husbandry, I am proud, I am delighted to present Uncle Benji's Raw, with the highest ingredient profiles in this country. Highly delicious, highly digestible, full of nutrition. We offer a money-back guarantee. Order today at poochdvd.com.